Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start inside Messages, open the app and tap the conversation you want to change. Once done, tap the contact name at top and choose Info to view addresses. Make sure iMessage is active. If not, go to Settings Messages and toggle iMessage on. You need the recipient's number or email saved so you can select the correct address. This immediate step prepares both sides for the switch and prevents delivery errors when you change the sending address or turn iMessage off. Now change which address you use. Open Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive. You'll see a list of phone numbers and emails linked to your Apple ID. Tap to select the one you want people to see. If you want messages from a different email, add it to your Apple ID and verify it, then return here and enable it. Once you select the new sending address, Messages will use it for new threads. Make sure the correct box is checked so your recipient recognizes you. Finish by confirming the change in a new message thread. Compose a short message to the contact and watch whether it sends as iMessage, blue, or SMS, green. If the address didn't update, restart Messages or reboot your device. This forces settings to refresh. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to re-register iMessage. One key troubleshooting tip. If messages are green, verify both sender and recipient have active internet and iMessage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.